XLOOKUP is a powerful new feature which has been launched by Microsoft. However, it is not currently available in all versions of Excel. Here's how you can ensure whether your version of Excel has this function available. So please make sure that you perform this check before you purchase our course in order to make sure that you have not wasted your money. And here's how you can check if you have XLOOKUP enabled in your version of Excel. Just open any new worksheet, click on any cell and type equal to XL. And what that should do is it should give you this pop-up where you can see the XLOOKUP function. In case you're able to see it, it means you have this new function. Congratulations to you. And in case you do not have it, then don't worry. I hope that you will soon be able to get your hands on it. If you have the XLOOKUP function enabled, go ahead and register for our course. I'm sure by the end of it, you will learn a lot on how you can truly unlock the entire potential of this exciting new function by Microsoft Excel.